Yes, yes, yeah,
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah.
Hi. So thank you so much for taking the time to join us today and have a bit of a chat with us. And congratulations on receiving your recent visa grant, which is a foundation leading towards Bachelor of Science at the University of New South Wales, Sydney campus. How are you feeling about it all?
Uh, I can't express my feelings because it's like a dream. It's completely like a dream for me because I already got a refusal from Australia like last January. So it's completely a dream to me.
Oh, that's that's awesome. Can you tell us a little bit about the course that you're doing?
I have to go to foundation for the for first 8 months. Then I can go for the direct bachelor, computer science and engineering. Because in the UNSW they don't give me the direct bachelor. They have to give me for the first foundation. Then I have to go the bachelor.
Cool. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. And so why did you choose the Sydney campus as a destination?
Because my many of my friends are staying in Sydney, and also some family members are staying in Sydney, and basically Sydney is one of the greatest place in Australia. So this is the main reason that I'm choosing the Sydney, and that's it.
Oh, very exciting. Could you tell us a little bit about your journey with the Top Catalyst team and a bit about how Tanvir's service has been?
Uh, I'd like to say thanks to Rambitan with that because he's a gem. Oh yeah, from my mind, he's just a gem. He's nothing else. He's just a gem because he he helped me a lot. He helped me a lot because the main reason I got refused from Australia like the last January on the UTS University. So it's completely a horrible feelings for me the last since 6 months. So after that, I just talked with Tanvir. Tanvir said he's gonna help me to come over this depression and whatever this feelings is. So after that, I just move on. I just move on and I started to preparing my documents and whatever was needed for Australia. And my full family, they're very disappointed from me because I got refused. And they're saying lots of words that I can't express, my friends, family, and all over. Like I have to say, thanks to Tanvir, nothing else. Just thanks to Tanvir. He's a gem, literally. He did his best to get my visa. He he's a gem.
That's awesome. That's so nice. Did
Yeah.
Tanvir charge you any fees at all? Any service fees?
No, I didn't pay any service fee because they provide me a free service, a fully free service.
Beautiful. And how
Yeah.
did you know about Tanvir and the Top Catalyst team? Were you referenced by a friend?
Uh, my you can call my teacher. His name is Mehdi Hassan. He just referred me Tanvir there because he's also staying in Sydney from Dr. Liz Consultancy's group. He just told me about Tanvir that he's a great man. You can contact with him. He will gonna make your visa sure. So that's why I came to talk about this. And after talking to Tanvir, Tanvir just amazing. He can like he's a gem. What I said before, he's a gem.
no, you were saying too much.
That's so nice.
No, no,
Awesome.
where I'm not saying too much, but you're really a gem, brother.
That's okay, don't worry. But what was your journey like? I know you had to go through a lot,
Mm.
Yeah.
like UTS and then 6 months.
Uh,
It was a bit of a,
uh,
difficult situation.
it was completely how could I say it's totally a horrible feeling for me just because for the first time like every my family members also me and my friends they everyone know that I'll get my visa for sure because this is a UTS university and maximum students will not get visas from UTS university like it's a completely unexpected things happens in life so at that time I got refused from UTS like it's completely those agencies fault for the last time I applied from them but after that I I just move on. I talked with Tanvir. Tanvir said, okay, don't worry, we can try. We can try and we will do our best for. for you, and hopefully you'll get your visa. So my competitive hope is all goes for Top Catalyst consultancy, and I just talk with him regularly, like what shall I do, what I have to do. They just guide me, like, yeah, you have to do this and you have to go for this. You can choose this university. Like, if you have enough capital money and if you have enough everything, that you can go for, you get the UNSW University and other many group of 8 universities. So after that, this happens. I got my visa.
Oh, cool.
It was
Awesome.
challenging, very much challenging, because when you have a rejection, whatever
Mm.
reason that is, immediately
Ah,
right after that, it's hard.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
hard to prove to the
it's quite impossible, right? It's not hard. It's quite impossible to get
I
visa in second time.
So yeah, but it was
Ah,
lucky you and the previous your friend
yeah,
Shamim, right? He was also
yep,
luckiest on both of you, because usually I've
yep.
never seen. I usually don't take these cases. This is probably there was a different reason that I took it. Otherwise, people come and I see various issues they have. But as you know, as per the government guidelines, if you have a
Yep.
rejection, the next time, it doesn't matter how well presented that is, very less chances, like less than 5% chances that you might get it. It's not only in Australia, but also other countries like
Also other countries, yep.
States, Canada, and other countries in the European Union and all. That they have a guideline and they have policies. But if sometimes I think if you present it well, and sometimes it's luck also. And I think for these two cases, him and Shamim, this is what happened. I wasn't even sure that whether they will get through or not, but I had a feeling that they will get through, because we presented in a way to
But you did your
give,
best.
yeah,
You did your
to
best.
give
Like,
them a second chance. Like,
yeah,
okay, there
like
was a
maximum cases. There are some friends as they got refused from Australia. They talk their agencies and they directly says, no, brother, you're not gonna get your visa for second time in Australia. You'll never get your visa. So they all just lose their hopes. Brother, when I just talk with you and you give me the hope, and it's completely impossible stuff.
it
But
was
unless,
actually
but
it was
fortunately,
yeah, I know. I've
uh,
never done this actually, to be honest with you. Usually I don't do this. Don't do this. It was like a court case scenario that you were dealing with two sides, and you have a judge in between, and then judge giving you the verdict that okay, benefit of
right,
doubt or
right,
something like that. So okay, let them, even if they didn't make any mistakes, but there are certain guidelines. So if you have rejections, the second time would be really harder, like
really
almost
hard, yeah.
zero. The possibility is zero actually. But I think they were convinced with the writing, and it's not only me. The Mr. Imtiaz, there is another person
Yes,
who
Imtiaz bhai
uh,
is,
uh,
I,
but
I
didn't
like
met
to say
him
thanks.
yet. He came on that day actually, and we had a discussion that day, and he helped. Not, I mean, I guided him. I prepared
Yeah, yeah,
all the
yeah,
points, and he actually started writing those points. It took
yeah.
about a week, well over a week,
Mm.
for both cases. And it's like you are preparing the case in front of the judge to win the
Wow.
case. So I don't think I'll do this ever again. That was that these two are the first and last cases. I
uh,
Yes, yeah, that's
but
for
in my,
sure.
my, my, my personal feelings that
Yeah.
if you do this again, the person will get the visa. It's my,
No,
it's
no,
my, it's my personal opinion.
look, the hope is good, but the thing is, the pressure that I get,
Mm.
I don't think I can take that anymore. You know,
Fair
like a
enough.
lot of pressure comes from.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
not only mental, psychological, but there are other things also. Like you have families, there are so many people that are hoping on you, and
Mm.
There are so
even
many
if you don't,
responsibilities on your,
yeah, even if you don't want to think about it, because it's already a dead case. You took a dead case on your head to continue, and that's the hope.
it's quite
People
impossible.
expect more from that. So
Yep.
it's for these two cases were different. So I took it in a different way. Even Shamim was a different case, and your case was different. And of course, you guys were with me for some time. I know you. There
Yeah.
is a circle, so that's why I took it. Otherwise, I would just simply say no. You probably know that, right? So
Thank you, brother. Thank
anyway,
you. Thank you so much,
yeah.
Tanvir.
Do you think IDP would take this
What?
or IDP? You know, IDP, the brand company in Bangladesh.
But
IDP, you know, IDP, the biggest
yeah, yeah, yeah,
brand.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
IDP and
IDP education,
those big companies, they're in
PFEC,
the
StudyNet.
market. Yeah,
Yeah,
there are so many. They're just not like there are maybe
yeah,
five
yeah,
big companies. Especially IDP is in the market for almost 40 years. The
yeah, yeah.
moment they see rejection, they will not talk to you.
They'll no, no, no. They'll never gonna accept my cases or whatever refuse case. Not for Australia. If someone gets refused
Most
from
cases, yeah.
USA,
Like
Canada,
yeah.
they'll never gonna accept their cases.
So how is your parents are feeling now? They're okay?
Ah, but I can't explain. I can't explain. They're just crying. They're just literally crying.
Oh,
They're just literally crying. My brother, my father, my mother, well, everyone just crying. Nothing
You told
else.
them? You told them the other day?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, good. I've never seen them. The thing is, I think this is the first time I'm also seeing him here.
yeah, 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 yeah.
True? Yeah.
wow.
True. And also, you know, we went to Melbourne recently, and those two kids, they came. I've never met them. It's the first time I met them after 1 year. Like I've done everything for them, and it was the first time
For
I
one
met them.
year.
Yeah, like those guys, I've never met them, seen them in person. Like Polly Vishas and
Yeah, all right, all right.
Rifat and a few. They landed. They started almost 1 year. I I've never met them. The last week I did. Last week, I mean, 2 weeks ago. Um,
What?
but anyway, it was good. Yeah.
Don't worry,
So
brother. Don't worry, brother. After I come to Sydney, I'm gonna meet with you every day.
no,
No
no, not
worries.
every day. Not every day. Anyway, thank you, Shihab. And um, so your everything is fine. Everything is okay
Yeah,
now.
brother. Everything, every single thing is fine.
You need to study. Yeah, you
Like,
need to finish properly, like, whatever
uh,
you do in life.
everything just did damage and everything just destroyed. But you just fixed everything, brother. Nothing
Oh,
else.
I didn't fix anything. It just
Yeah, you did, brother.
no,
You
no.
did.
Everyone worked together, and for me, yes, it was a challenging thing. And initially, I didn't want
You
to
and Imtiaz, man.
take none of these cases, you know. But you know the amount of pressure that we have to go through, like especially look, you know, if you know the university knows, I'll be in trouble to be honest with you. Some of these universities, really, I'm not joking. Because they don't like the way you know these things happen. There's a certain guidelines I have to you know like I shouldn't be saying this on you know, but yeah, but both of you are lucky. Like if there is like it's a you know it happens once one in a million maybe or something like that. Because I
Yeah,
have seen people try second time even after 2 years. There is a gap, and then they explain that okay, they're convincing the university and immigration, whether in Australia, Canada, and other countries, um, they don't accept it. So
yeah.
it's
The
just
next time they just refused.
yeah. But you two, I don't know what happened anyway. Good, maybe good timing, but you guys suffered a lot at the same time. You had a good
Ah,
uh, time, I guess now, and now you need to move forward with some you know straight with positivity, I would say.
yeah, brother.
Okay, so that
Yes,
you don't go back where you were before with the situation.
obviously, obviously.
Because you got this one chance, so you need to utilize it properly. Or you complete
Yeah,
your higher studies and do well in your life in the future for your family and
yeah, brother.
everything.
Inshallah.
Okay. And anything else, Amber, from your side? I
um,
Uh,
think we're pretty
um,
much.
thank you so much for taking the time to have a chat with us about your journey, and we're so proud of you, and we can't wait to hear how you go in Australia with all your studies.
You happy? Shihab?
100%. Yeah.
Okay.
100%.
Okay. All right. Thank you again, Shihab. Thank you, Amber, for your time. And I will conclude here.
Thank you
Like,
so much. Yeah.
is there anything else you want to say? Like last words or
Brother,
lines?
if you want to hear something from me, that I'll definitely say 100 times that it's all goes for you, brother.
No, 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 no. Not
It's
nothing.
it
No.
is all goes for you. It's all goes for
No.
you. Nothing
You need
else.
to do well. That's all. I haven't, I'm just a medium, I guess. Here, you know, that's all I can say.
You
But
you're a gym, nothing else. You're a
no,
gym.
no, no, you don't need to tell me this. Okay, thank you again, Shihab and Amber. Thank you for
Thank
your
you, brother.
time. I know you probably came
Okay.
from work and
Okay.
you need
Okay,
some
brother. See
rest.
you.
Okay. Thank you, Shihab.
See you in
I'll,
Sydney.
okay, I'll conclude. Okay, you have
Thank
a good
you.
day.
Yeah, brother.
Bye for now.
Okay, okay,
Bye.
Bye.
okay. Bye, man.